Csíkszereda, my hometown, is a city situated in Szeklerland in Hargita country, and I live here for 12 years. In the last 10 years, sports hall, swimming pool and many sports facilities were built. We navigate in the streets which are full of flowers and trees. Our city streets with new clothes were the most important buildings, such as the Mikó Castle, Martonaro High School, the Petőfi Sándor Street and the Petőfi Sándor Elementary School.
The Mikó Castle is a late medieval castle bastion, one of the main attractions of our city. Its construction began in the spring of 1623 by Hirvégi Mikó Ferenc, who was former police chief of Csuk County. Currently, this is the building house of the Museum of Szekler.
The Martonaro High School was built over 100 years, and its works is proven to carry on the torch of education to close to 400 years old.
Csíkszereda region, many cultural and entertainment events take place. Early music festival, the NEV Film Festival Tivszereda, the traditional Csíkszeredai búcsú in the Csíksomlyó, the Huszánszékely Girls' Day. The traditional Pünkösd Saints' Day is one of the biggest fests in the year. It's a religious fest. People are coming here from around the world to hear the saint mass, to pray and to see some saint memorial and beautiful church.
The Huszánszékely Girls' Day is a beautiful fest. During this fest, people wear traditional Szekler clothes and they sing traditional songs. Sometimes they dance traditional dance.
Famous people of our city are Nagy Imre, the painter, whose gallery is presented in Zsöbö, a place next to Csíkszereda, Nagy István, Vencel József, Erős Zsolt, Novák Károly Eduárd, Vákár Lajos, Tófaldi Éva, Cseh Szabolcs and Miklós Éva.
The people from the city love Csíkszereda because it is their homeland and they are live there every day, lives there.
I really like my hometown because here is my family, my school, my friends, and because of the beautiful places which we have in the city.
My secret